Hey everybody, Scott DiGregorio, your mortgage guy, coming back to you with more information on VA loans. This time I want to talk to you about funding fees and exemptions. It's kind of complicated, so I'm just going to go over it at a very basic level. But here's the deal. VA guarantees a percentage of the loan. That's why you can do 100% financing, because from the bank standpoint, we have a percentage of your loan guaranteed, typically about 25%. So if a VA loan is done and the home goes into default, VA has to cover part of the loss on that. And that's, for that, they need money. And to fund that, they charge funding fees. Funding fees, the most typical ones I see are this. If you're a regular military and it's the first time you're using your benefits, the funding fee is 2.15%. If you're regular military and you're using it for your second time or beyond, the funding fees are typically 3.3%. There's an entire grid of funding fees having to do with the type of service you were, whether you're regular military or reserves, how long you served, etc. So that's just a basic guideline. Now, you may be asking yourself, that's a lot of money and I can't afford to write that check. Hey, these funding fees are typically rolled into the loan. So if it's the first time using your VA benefits and you're a regular military and you're borrowing $200,000, they would increase that loan amount by 2.15%. It would be $204,300 if I'm doing that math right in my head. You don't have to write a check, it's rolled in, but obviously you're paying interest on that over time, and that does add to your payment, but that's how that typically works. Another thing to know is exemptions. If you have any level of service-related disability, you are fully exempt from paying funding fees, okay? Which can be a huge savings. By the way, I got another little trick for you. If you have a 100% service-related disability, in addition to being exempt from your funding fees, you're also exempt from the majority of your property taxes here in Florida. That's some information on funding fees and exemptions. If you have any other questions or specifics, reach out to me. I'm Scott DiGregorio, your mortgage guy. I'll see you next time.